I'm still getting the hang of filming while flying and trying to figure out the GoPros and the meta glasses and Insta 360s and all that stuff. But today we met up with a couple guys down at a dry lake bed in western Washington, Pacific Northwest. A couple of the lakes out here are pretty low right now. Tons of fun spots to land. And they found a spot they've been kind of hanging at. My plane's been down for a couple months between a new carb and I rebuilt my exhaust manifold out of stainless. Ended up turning out super good. I can post pictures of that later. But either way, ended up being a mellow day. Had some fun. We were celebrating Kelly's birthday and just got a couple hours in. This spot that these guys found, they've been messing around out here. It was pretty wet for a while, but this is like a base to final type turn right here, and I didn't know really what to expect. They hadn't been out here probably for a couple weeks, and it's been raining a bunch out here in Washington. So I was a little nervous. I flew over low on the way out, and I saw like footprints. So it did make me a little bit nervous, but you know, all of us are on decent sized tires, so it wasn't that big of a deal. Nobody really realizes all the cool backcountry spots that the Pacific Northwest has to offer. There's so much of this stuff year round: riverbeds, sandbars. You know, just in a 50-mile radius of where my plane's hangared, there's beaches that you can land on. There's a bunch of sandbars that you can land on. A bunch of stuff like this, lake beds, lake shores. There's so much stuff out there uh, to go mess around on. So we stayed pretty busy year round. We actually do most of our flying fall through spring, is what it seems like. Summer just gets so busy with family and the kids and all the other stuff that we've got going on. But anyway, check this video out and let me know what you guys think. Thanks.
Winter's a pretty gray here. It just rains for days. Sometimes it gets hard to stay here in this city of gray. I get so down, I just can't find the light. I get so down, I just gotta get through this night. So give me a good high and chase these blues away. Give me a good high, forget about yesterday. Times are getting harder, you know it's harder to stay clean. Your days start getting darker when you forget your dreams. You get so down, You wanna make it all disappear. Oh, wishing you were somewhere, anywhere but here. So give me a good high and chase these blues away. Give me a good high. Forget about yesterday. Chase these bills away. Give me a good high. Forget about yesterday. Give me a good high. Chase these blues away. Give me a good high. Forget about yesterday.